look real quick.
I need 6 more.
This gun?
Yes, sorry.
All right.
And I have regular threads on my muzzle device. What do you think it's going to do?
And all the pops and threads noise made the primer. Coming up on the right side of it, there was another candy cane. Retwist and reseal. Too easy. It's not hard. I mean, I'm not a cat guy.
Cold barrel.
What's the difference?
They did find the one without the tag, did they not?
Yeah. This one just got checked for a bunch of misfires.
Leave it on. You were condition 3. Alright, down 5. Send it. Alright. Shoulder pressure, got it? Keep that shoulder pressure. You can put those down right there. No, hey. All right. Here.
Right out. Go ahead, spit it up. Yeah, pin's removed.
There we go.
Hey, here you go. There you go. All right, go ahead, put it on full auto. It's right here. Send it again. Shoulder pressure, right. Okay. You're gonna keep the same shoulder pressure. Send it. All right, hey, unload your, fire it out, You have 2 rounds. All right, save it.
All right, go condition 1.
There you go. Fire burst. There you go. Now we're moving to quickness. All right, go get your 1. Half load. Full load. All right, fire. There you go. Half load. Full load.
All right, go back on that thing. Like that. There you go.
Go condition 1. Sergeant. Half load! Full load! Right, rip first. Okay, come down one.
My sergeant.
All right, you're on target. Keep firing.
My sergeant.
All right.
Half load. Full load.
Your shoulder pressure is garbage. Hold it tight. Pull back on the gun. Okay, come down 3.
He's firing.
Keep firing. You see the sparks and the ricochet? That means you're hitting it. Shoulder pressure!
My sergeant.
Approach at a low profile, 45-degree angle. Go piano feel from the top of the reinforced lip to the bottom of the base cap. Take it off. Put it on the sight box. Next, we'll lower the elevation extremely slow to a half-inch OK symbol. Alright, speed up. The A gunner. We'll go cap the shaft, left the cap over his knee.
Ready?
Alright, begin lifting.
Lifting.
Lift.
Lifting.
Lift.
Lifting.
Horizontal stop lift.
Alright, at this point, the A gunner.
Hang on 1.
Fire.
Firing. Firing.
No,
Firing.
stop. Now place the weapon on
Direction at all times. Good.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The only ammunition that'll be used on this range.
Yes, sir. If you are up on the... Take. Well. Take out the excess cardboard that's inside.
3, 4, 5, 6. There's 6 crates. Add 5 more.
Alright, so now we're going to do a fire for effect, right?
Hang on 1. Fire! Hanging on 2. Fire!
Hey, you, go away. Go away, you.
Fire!
That's just gonna drop it around, and then that A gunner is just gonna twist it reverse. Drop it all around, twist it reverse. Very good. Alright, see how that works?
Perfect!
and get. I guess I could deliver. Half. Okay. Get back down. Your back foot. Eat.